Hey guys, techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video today. Well guys, we went out and picked up the Samsung Z Flip 5. That's right, the one with the big screen on the outside. This is 512 gigs of memory, and this is the graphite color, so I'm very interested in seeing what it looks like. Look, this is going to be really quick because we're just going to do a close look, the unboxing, and we are going to have a case video coming out. We're going to probably have about 10 cases. So if you're not subscribed, we hope you sure do. But let's go ahead and get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. And there it goes. So you get a SIM ejector, and you get a USB Type-C cable, and that's it. And everyone's already used to not getting a power brick anymore. And here's the phone. We'll go ahead and take off the cover here. I guess I got to start from the back. I did get the graphite, and nice. Here goes the fingerprints. But looks like chrome on the outside, huh? Kind of a chrome. I'm not sure if that's like tinted. Let me change the light here a little bit too. Let's see if that'll help. But yeah, it doesn't look like a shiny chrome. It really almost looks like a tinted chrome. All right, so we are looking at the right side. Here's your volume rocker, your biometric, and your power button. I love that. That is so easy to use. That's an antenna there on the corner. Another antenna. Another antenna. Here is the back. That graphite color. I like it. Looks like a nice color. Really does. Bottom. Speaker, 2 microphones on the bottom, USB Type-C. Left side of the phone, your SIM card slot, unless you're using an eSIM. That should be the 5G antenna. Again, more antenna bands on the phone. So 6.7-inch screen. 3.4-inch on the front. There it goes. I'll tell you, it does feel nicer. You know, last year we did an unboxing on a BESPOKE, a green, beautiful, like I don't know, it's just a really nice green. I'll see if I have any image to show. I'll put that on the screen if I can do that. But it's really nice because it lays flat now. You see that? There's no gap anymore. They fixed that. So that's really nice. And it does feel good, I got to tell you. I'm going to be using this every day. I didn't use the Flip 4 every day. Honestly, I didn't. I like the way it just disappears there as well. Again, we're going to do case videos coming up, so we're excited to do that. Our close-ups and everything. So that's coming. Look at that. 3 microphones. But yeah, there goes that graphite color. And there goes that front screen. Take a quick look at the cameras. And you can see they definitely stick up, right? You know, from all angles, you'll see those cameras. I was wondering if they could make them where the cameras didn't stick up and they were actually in the phone. That would have been pretty interesting. So There you go. Just a quick look at the way the cameras stick up. Let's go ahead and just look at the way the widgets work on the front screen real quick. All right, we went ahead and just set the screen up real quick. And you could see that's the big deal. Look at that, huh? You hold it down, you can get your different clocks if you want. Swipe to your other widgets. You can even pinch to zoom to see all your widgets that are set up. So pretty nice. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful in some way, and if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. And by the way, follow us on social media up above here, and check out our new Tesla channel. We got a Tesla, and we've been using it now for a couple of months. We've got about 8,000 miles on it, and our goal with that is to learn more about electric vehicles versus gas. We've done some reviews, mostly accessories, but our goal is to share with you what it is to go from a gas vehicle to an electric vehicle. So check that out. You can search that right on YouTube. And by the way, on the left side, you can subscribe to our channel by hitting that round techmadeezy logo. And on the right side, you can actually click and see more of our tech reviews. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.